Hello everyone. In this video, I show you how you can fix the CS2 matchmaking failed to reach any official servers. Now the first time having trouble with the matchmaking failed to reach any official servers error in CS2, here are the quickest ways to get back in the game. First, open Steam, right-click Counter-Strike 2, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If that doesn't fix it, go to your game folder under Bin, then Win64. Right-click CS2.exe, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run as Administrator. You can also try toggling Windows 8 compatibility mode. Next, turn off any active VPNs. They often block CS2 server traffic. If you're still stuck, update your DNS settings. Go to View Network Connections, right-click your active connection, select Properties, then IPv4. Switch to Custom DNS and enter 8.8.8.8 for the preferred server and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate. Still no luck? Open Command Prompt as administrator and run two commands. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. After that, search for Network Reset in Windows and restart your PC. As a final resort, unplug your home router for 2 minutes before plugging it back in, or consider a clean reinstall of CS2. If this guide helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.